Join the club of the richest 1%. By employing the strategies in this video, you can become rich and established and join the club of the richest 1%.
The knowledge and strategies in this video are rooted in Jacob Nayman's extensive experience, distilling more than a quarter of a century in his role as a leading investment and economic advisor to some of the world's wealthiest. Infusing your life with the financial strategies outlined in this video will enable you to achieve the most important goal of the 21st century: financial independence.
Quote, "Success in investing doesn't correlate with IQ. What you need is the temperament to control the urges that get other people into trouble in investing." End quote. Warren Buffett. In the process of building and preserving your wealth, it is important from the start that you, as an investor, adopt two important principles to guide your mindset and actions. Don't make hasty decisions. The basic cliché is that speed is from the devil, and this is true in the context of investments as well. In the field of investments, an investor who displays patience and restraint will achieve better results than an investor who is not endowed with the same qualities. Practice safety. The central issue in building and preserving wealth is how to invest the money. The safest way to invest your money is to apply the famous golden rule: don't put all your eggs in one basket. If you have built your investment portfolio properly, using the golden rule of diversification, then even a stock market crash shouldn't worry you too much. The main points: don't make hasty investment decisions. Practice safety by diversifying your portfolio.
Is predicting your economic future a riddle wrapped in an enigma? Not quite. It's about creating it. Financial practices shared in the earlier segment, courtesy of financial expert Jacob Nayman, are your toolkit for securing that future. But here's the catch. Knowledge isn't the ultimate prize. It's action that truly counts. The upcoming segment aims to spark that drive, that motivation within you to implement these strategies. So take note and remember, in the grand chessboard of finance, it's not the player who knows the most moves, but the one who actually makes them, who wins. This video contains valuable information. Use it.
Ever wondered why some investors seem to have a magic touch while others struggle to make their portfolios profitable? The answer lies in the fascinating realm of investor psychology. This field delves into the decision-making process of investors, shedding light on the emotional and psychological factors that sway it. By grasping this concept, we can make better, more informed investment decisions. Remember, investor psychology is not just about numbers, it's about understanding human behavior and how it impacts financial decisions. So, what are the main points about investor psychology that you need to keep in mind? First off, let's take a gander at the importance of patience and discipline. These are not just virtues in life, but also in the world of investing. The market's a marathon, not a sprint. So hasty decisions often lead to regret. Next up, we have the dangers of the herd mentality. It's easy to follow the crowd, but remember, the majority isn't always right. When everyone zigs, sometimes it's better to zag. Now, let's talk about fear and greed, two powerful emotions that can heavily influence our decisions. Fear can hold you back from taking calculated risks, while greed can blind you to potential pitfalls. Striking a balance between the two and using the right financial investment strategies is crucial. And finally, we come to the concept of fear of missing out, or FOMO. In the investing world, FOMO can lead to impulsive decisions like jumping on a bandwagon without doing proper research. It's important to remember that not every opportunity is a golden one, and it's okay to let some pass you by. These key points of investor psychology significantly influence how we navigate the financial seas. They shape our perceptions, guide our actions, and ultimately determine our success or failure. Remember, understanding and managing your own investor psychology can be the key to your success in the world of investing.